Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Google Chrome web browser is lagging and very slow to open. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Chrome, or if you have a taskbar icon or desktop shortcut, just go ahead and get that Chrome browser open here. And we're going to select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner to open up settings. Select where it says settings. On the left side, you want to go down and select the advanced button, and then select reset and clean up. You're going to go and select restore settings to their original defaults. So this action will reset Chrome settings and shortcuts, disable extensions, not remove them, but just disable them, and then you can re-enable them one at a time to see if there's a particular issue with one extension. And it will also delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be affected. And then you're going to go ahead, I'm actually going to uncheck the option to report the current settings. You can keep that checked. It's really not a big deal either way. I just usually uncheck those options as a personal preference. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just select reset settings. And then once that's done, you should close out of the browser and then reopen it. And then hopefully that should have improved your browser experience. Something else we can try here too, if we were to open up Chrome, we're going to disable hardware acceleration. So that could actually have more of a hindrance on the performance of the browser. But if it's really slow to begin with, this might be able to speed it up a little bit depending on your situation. So it's worth a shot. So what we're going to do here is open up the three vertical dotted icon at the top right again, select settings, and then on the left side, you're going to go back under advanced, and you're going to left click on system. Where it says use hardware acceleration when available, go ahead and toggle that to the off position, and then select relaunch. And then again, see if that does resolve the problem as well. It's worth trying. And then one other thing too you can try here as well, which is just kind of like a little bonus thing here we're going to do. We're going to go on the left side underneath advanced and select reset and clean up. Select clean up computer. This is actually going to run a virus scan here. So go ahead and select the find button. And you can see it didn't find any harmful software, which is good. And that's about it. So hopefully this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.